Now this is kind of like an update to the Heald trail brunk, this little survivor bike here, and slowly been doing more work to it. I got the carburetor tweaked in. It's running decent, still having some intermittent trouble though. And first off, this thing is an absolute wheelie machine. It's short, it's heavy, but this thing has torque, oodles of torque, top speed about 30. I'm just doing a bunch of little stuff. I have a proper headlight for it now. Got to wire that in. I got a more proper push button kill switch other than the giant 60s big plastic button. The other big thing is I'm pretty sure it has a head gasket leak, and by I'm pretty sure, I can guarantee it, because I'll hopefully fire it up here. Sometimes it's temperamental. I mean, she's running pretty darn good, but she loses power on the top end and just starts running really goofy. It doesn't matter how rich or how lean I set it. So I'm gonna do the easiest thing first, and here they are. I got some new old stock head gaskets. So for some reason that head gasket doesn't do the trick. I do have a new carburetor to put on there as well. Well, I'm gonna grab out some tools. I'm just gonna do it off camera. Pull that head off, see how bad that head gasket is. I sneaking suspicion that's pretty bad. And yeah, hopefully I can just loosen up the bolts on the blower housing, pop those out and slide the head out. Alright, so pulled the head off. You can see all that. It's wet, it's gross. I'm going to wire brush all the carbon out. And the old head gasket, hard as rock. And I think it's just the fact it's an aged gasket. It was working fine. I mean, it's not ruptured. It's not like it's got a hole blown through. So we got most of that cleaned off. I'm going to go one more time at it with the brass wire brush. I also pulled out the piece of stainless steel, some 220 grit, I do believe, and I leveled out the head. It actually was quite a bit off. First I hit it with the file, put it in the vise and just kind of hit it with the file, and you can see there was low spots here and here on both sides, and that's where our gases were coming out. So it looked like the head was warped slightly, but now what I did was I sand down to the point it's almost gone, and I'm going to go one more time, get rid of some of these ridges in here. But that should take care of the head gasket problem. There we go. Drop that oil after I run it a little bit. Sounds like it's ready for a change. Alright, topped up with fresh oil. It's not great. See metallic in there. No chunks though. So I refilled it with Rotella T4 1540. And then I also added a little splash of something I've been playing with lately. Primrose armor plate. So far, I've been pretty happy with that product. Been running a lot of different Primrose stuff lately. Protect the lube, all that stuff. Still my phaser. Sounds pretty happy. I'll let it run for a little bit, check the level. Should be good to go.